Hi, this is your Senior Techie John again. Today I'm going to go over how to create a Gmail account to further let you know how you can cut the cord to your cable TV. Okay, the first thing you'll need to do is open up your browser. Then type at the top of the screen gmail.com and press enter. This will bring up the Google sign-in screen. Since you don't have an account yet, you will click on Create Account and then click on For Personal Use. Next, it will ask you for a name. You don't have to put in your whole name, just first name or any name you care to use will work. Next, you enter your birth date and your gender and hit Next. Now enter the username you'd like to use for your Gmail account. It can be anything you want, but you'll find that there are a lot of names already taken, so try to make something very unique. Next, you'll enter a password and then put it in again to make sure they match. Make sure you write down your username and your password so that you'll be able to put them back in later whenever you need to. Or if your computer asks you, go ahead and save them on your computer. You can skip the next step since you don't have an email address that you can use as a backup anymore. So skip to the next one, which is actually putting in your phone number. Congratulations, you've now set up a Gmail account. After you click Next, it will ask you some stuff about privacy and all that kind of stuff. Just agree to it and go on to the next screen, which will actually take you to Gmail. Anytime you need to see Gmail, all you have to do is open up Google and click on Gmail in the upper right hand corner and you'll be all ready to go. That's it for how to set up a Gmail account. Please click subscribe at the bottom of the page to help support this channel. Thanks. Bye.